Number 1. 1985 Dodge D150, price $9,800. This truck is a well-preserved classic pickup with only 80,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong V8 engine and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers a fun and responsive driving experience. The truck features a short bed configuration and stands out with its green exterior and clean gray interior. Completely rust-free, this D150 runs and drives great, showing it has been well taken care of over the years. Recent updates include new brakes, fresh wheels, and brand new tires, ensuring it's both safe and stylish on the road. With its classic design, manual transmission, and solid condition, this truck is a great find for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a dependable vintage ride. Number 2. 1961 Ford F100, price $9,400. Having traveled just 55,000 miles, it features a sleek black exterior paired with a striking red interior, creating a bold and timeless look. Restored in 2018, this F100 is powered by a reliable Chevy 350 engine matched with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, offering smooth and dependable performance. The rear end has been upgraded with a rebuilt Ford 8.5 differential, enhancing both durability and drivability. Inside, the truck boasts a fully custom interior designed and installed by the renowned team at Inside Rides based in Waterford. Their craftsmanship extends to the matching custom tonneau cover, completing the truck's show-quality appearance. Number 3. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,400. Dependable work truck with 122,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, it delivers reliable performance on the road. The truck runs and starts great, with responsive brakes and a smooth drive overall. Finished in classic blue both inside and out, it shows reasonably low rust for a Minnesota truck of this age. It runs on gasoline and has been set up for towing, complete with a 7-prong trailer wiring harness and a brake control module. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs, a serpentine belt, air filter, PCV valve, and a replacement of the main brake line from the rear to the master cylinder. While the previous owner installed a new radio, it currently doesn't function, and the reason has not yet been investigated. Additionally, the air conditioning does not blow cold, and the power door locks are inoperative. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1978 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It features a 4-speed manual transmission paired with a strong 350 V8 engine and dual exhaust, delivering both reliability and classic muscle. The truck comes equipped with power steering and power brakes, making it a comfortable drive despite its vintage character. Recently, it has been upgraded with a brand new 4-inch lift kit and fitted with new 33 BF Goodrich mud terrain tires mounted on fresh 15x10 Wilventeeks wheels, enhancing both its off-road capability and appearance. The exterior is finished in brown, complemented by a tan interior, staying true to its original look. Although there is some rust, the body remains very clean and solid for its age, making it a rare find in such original condition. Number 5. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,000. With 153,000 miles on the odometer, it's powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering consistent performance. The truck features a striking blue exterior and a matching blue interior, both of which are in good condition for its age. One of its highlights is a set of nearly new BF Goodrich tires, offering excellent traction and ride quality. Despite its age, the body shows minimal rust, making it especially clean compared to most trucks from the same era. All systems and features are fully functional, from the drivetrain to the electronics. This Chevy comes with a clean title and runs on gasoline, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a rugged yet dependable workhorse. Number 6. 1989 GMC 1500, price $4,200. This truck is a well-maintained classic pickup with 131,000 original miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives exceptionally well. The truck features a striking red exterior matched with a red interior, giving it a timeless and bold look. Equipped with both heating and air conditioning, the comfort features are fully functional, making it suitable for daily use or weekend cruising. It also comes with a new battery, and the frame is reported to be solid throughout, showing no signs of major rust or damage. Additionally, the truck includes its original rims along with a set of aftermarket wheels, giving the new owner customization options.
Number 7.
1968 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000, finished in black with a blue interior, featuring a manual transmission and a 327 small block V8 paired with the original 3-speed gearbox. It has headers and a Flowmaster exhaust for a deep, aggressive sound. The truck needs some work. The engine leaks oil from the front crank seal, the tires are worn, it needs an alignment, and the shocks are worn out, making the ride bouncy. The right side of the air suspension sags after sitting, though the system has a new compressor and lines. The shift pattern is reversed, the speedometer cable is missing, and there's rust, most notably on the driver's door. The black paint is at 20-footer but still gives it a tough, classic look. Despite the flaws, it's a solid vintage truck with strong bones and great potential.
Number 8.
1977 Ford F250, price $6,000. It's powered by a robust 400 cubic inch big block V8 engine paired with a C6 3-speed automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and features an automatic transmission, making it both powerful and easy to drive. The truck comes with its original stock wheels and tires, along with a spare. Several important components have been recently updated, including a new distributor and water pump. It also features large bus-style side mirrors, adding to its utility and visibility. While the engine runs strong, it will need a new exhaust system, though the tubing for the exhaust is included and currently sitting in the bed of the truck. One key note for California buyers: the truck was not registered in California, so it's unknown whether it will pass a smog test. Additionally, while the fuel tank selector switch works properly between the main and auxiliary tanks, the main tank still requires a new fill neck.
Number 9.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, a strong-running 350 V8 paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission. Despite the mileage, it recently completed over 1,500 miles on the Hot Rod Power Tour without any issues, proving its reliability. It features power windows, power locks, working cruise control, hot heat, and cold AC.
The interior includes a new headliner and a modern wireless Apple CarPlay stereo with a subwoofer.
It rides smooth thanks to a 5/7 drop with IHC control arms, Western chassis super notch, and Beltec shocks. This Silverado also sports 20-inch torque thrust wheels, a rumble exhaust, clear LED taillights, tubbed front wheel wells, and LED underglow lighting in any color.
A 140-amp alternator supports all upgrades. Number 10.
1975 Ford F250, price $6,000, finished in green both inside and out. The truck maintains its original color scheme, giving it a bold, uniform look that stands out on the road. Under the hood, it's powered by a reliable 390 cubic inch V8 engine that runs strong, paired with a C6 automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and confidently. The body is in overall good condition and remains straight, with the exception of the driver's door and the passenger side rear quarter panel, which show minor imperfections. The truck comes with a kickdown rod that still needs to be installed, but the part is already included. An air conditioning compressor is located in the back, offering the potential to restore the truck's AC system if desired.